How to pay someone in Splitwise. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can pay someone in Splitwise. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the Splitwise application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you land on this page, first of all, you have to select the group or friend for whom you want to make a payment. So either you can select your group or the friends that you owe some money to. After that, once you have selected the group of a friend or the group, there you will find an option in the group or with the person you owe money to as settle up. So you have to tap on a settle up button. There you may also find the amount you owe or you are owed. So once you have tapped on a settle up button, then Splitwise allows you to settle your dates through multiple payment options. You can either pay with PayPal, pay with Venmo, or through the manual payment. If your Splitwise account is linked with PayPal, you can choose this option and you will be directed to PayPal to complete the payment. Or you can also use a Venmo to pay the person directly, or you can record the payment as paid manually if you're paying in cash or through other means. So just be sure to update the amount accordingly. And now in order to complete the payment, follow the prompts to finish the transactions. The person will be notified once the payment is made. Now, after you have paid, Splitwise will automatically update your balance. If you used a manual payment method, you can mark bill as paid. So in this way, you can pay someone in Splitwise. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.